my live stream. Good day to you all. Wherever you're watching, you're welcome. So, as we all know, here we entertain and educate. On this particular episode of our live stream, we are going to be cracking our brain tonight, okay? We are cracking our brain today with some difficult puzzle games that we're going to get to thinking, and thinking, all right? So, as usual, no cheating, no calculators allowed, okay? So, sit tight and let's have fun together. This is basically for all age brackets, just to make you, think fast, test how your IQ is, how good you are with logic thinking, basic calculations, and all. It's for fun and also for entertainment. Okay, so come with a friend, sit and challenge yourselves. Okay, see who will solve it first, who will get the answer first. Okay, so a lot of persons are going to have different attempts. So I also advise you solve and also watch other viewers' attempts. Okay, stay respectful, stay respectful. I repeat, stay respectful. Okay, I know how some of you can be. It's fine, and understand that not everybody is at your own level. Okay, so you have to understand that some persons may get different answers, different view. Okay, explain your answer if you feel there is a need, and of course there is a need to explain your answer because some persons are here to learn. So explain your answer, they're going to learn from you, and if you don't understand, sit back and see how other people solve and explain their answers. Okay, this live stream is basically created for education and for fun. Okay, education because it's going to make you see things the way ordinary you may not see. You're going to be exposed to difficult logical puzzle games that will help you in solving other problems as you go on with your daily activities. And it's entertaining because you're going to see different opinions. You're going to see people giving different answers, give different reasons why it should be so. So going through the comments, you'll be entertained. And of course, I'll be dropping some very good question as we ride on. Okay. So without wasting much of our time, we'll be going down to today's business. All right. You're welcome, my bro. You're welcome. So if you're just joining us, if this is your first time on this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out content like this. And also for my regular supporters, I want to say a very big thank you to you all for always being here. Comments, likes, the share, everything. I really appreciate that. I love you guys for being here for me, for pushing this channel to where we are now. We are over 10,000 subscribers. I'm grateful for that. So I love you guys. So continue sharing your support. I really appreciate. Okay. So let's have fun together. We'll be going down to today's business. We will be sharing our first puzzle of the day. All right. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you. You're all welcome. All right. So let's sit back and have fun together. So because of to make it look more clean, to make it so that you can be able to see the question clearly, I'll be using green screen. I will also be here, but I'll be using green screen. I'll be share the question on the green screen. You will I'll see your attempts. I'll be in the comment section to moderate your answers. Don't forget to like and share the live stream. Thank you for always sharing your support. I love you guys. So let's start. So here is our green screen, and we are starting with this question. All right. This is going to be our first question of the day. It looks simple, but trust me, people are going to see. They're going to see crazy answers. People are going to give different opinions on this. This may look simple, but this is actually logical. First, you have to understand the value of those objects. When you understand the value of those objects, you have to understand the operation, the standard operation of board mass. All right. Know what to do first. Are you going to multiply first? Are you going to add first? It's going to give you different answers. So only those who understand the principle of basic calculations can even solve it. Even when you understand the value of each object, it's going to be difficult solving this. Okay. Yeah. So you're welcome. Sams, yeah, thank you for joining. Hello, Sam. Hope you're having a good day. Thank you. Welcome. Wow. Sienna said 108. Nice attempt, Sienna. Don't forget to explain your answer. That would be better if you explain your answer. You're welcome. Nice attempt. Hello. You're welcome. Arenan, you're welcome. 44. Nice attempt. Basic plays. Welcome. Nice attempt. Let's see more options, guys. You're welcome. Thank you for joining. Thank you for participating. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and also share the live stream. Thank you, guys. I love you guys. Thank you for joining. Bro, what are you saying? Why does solve and drop your answer? Solve first. We'll talk about that. Just solve and drop your answer, then we'll talk about that. Welcome, guys. Thank you for participating. Thank you for joining. You're all welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and also share the live stream. I love you guys. Thank you. I love you all.
Brandon, welcome. 44, nice attempt. Welcome, guys. Well done. Let's see more options. So, who is going to explain this for us? I would like someone to explain how we get. Yeah, Brendan, you said 44. Please explain your answer. I'd like someone to explain this for us, please. Remember, you have to solve for these objects. Know their values first. What is the value of one ice cream? What is the value of one ball? And what is the value of the monkey? Let's know the values, and then we'll be able to know the rule to use. And remember, you have to use BODMAS, rule of operation. Multiplication comes before addition. So after getting the values of those objects, use BODMAS. Okay? Well done, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share this live stream. I love you guys. Thank you for your support. 44, nice attempt. But let's see how you got your 44, please.
Yo, guys, let's solve this together, okay? After this, we are dropping the next one. Let's explain this. Yeah, like some of you have rightly said, the correct answer to this puzzle is actually 44. 44 is the correct answer, and this is why it is 44. I'm going to briefly explain why it is 44, and then we'll go to the next puzzle, all right? So, nice attempt. Congrats. Kudos to you guys that said 44. You actually solved it, and you got 44. 44 is the right answer. Here is why it is 44. If you look at a puzzle like this, like I've explained in my previous live stream, when you have a puzzle game like this, the first thing to do is to find the value of the object on your screen. When you find the values, you now use BODMAS, that's method of operation, multiplication before addition, all of those things. So the first thing is what? Know the value of your object. So if you follow that, you know that each ice cream, we have three ice cream on the first line, and we have 24. That means each ice cream is 8. Just divide 24 by 3, you will get 8. That means each ice cream is actually what? 8. Come to the second line, you already know that your ice cream is equal to what? 8. And now 8 plus 2 ball gives you what? 16. That means each ball is 4. 4 plus 4 plus 8 will give you what? 16. Now you have known the value of your ice cream, you have known the value of your ball. So what is the value of monkey? You have on the third line, you have 3 monkeys and you have 27. Simply divide 27 by 3. If you do that, you are going to get 9. 27 divided by 3 is 9. That means each monkey is now what? 9. Now, coming to the last line, which is where our problem lies. Remember, now we have gotten our value of ice cream to be 8, our ball is 4, and our monkey is 9. Now, don't add before you multiply. You multiply before you add. If you add before multiplying, it's going to give you a wrong and a different answer. So the correct and the first thing to do is multiply and then you add up. All right. When you get like this, remember Bodmer's rule of operation. You have to multiply before what you add. So you're going to say 4 times 9. That is going to give you 36. All right, plus your 8. The correct answer is now what? 44. But assuming you add before multiplying, you're going to say 8 plus 4 times 9 is going to give you 108. That is a correct wrong answer. What did I say? Correct wrong answer. Don't do that. Always multiply before you add. So our correct answer to this puzzle, this particular one on the screen, the correct answer is 44. And it is 44 because of how I have explained. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here till the explanation of this particular one. Now I have a lot of them coming your way. Let's go to the next puzzle of the day. Thank you guys. Thank you for participating. If this is your first time, don't forget to like and also subscribe to this channel for more content like this. We're going to be educating you and be entertaining you. Welcome. I love you guys. Let's move to the next one. So, this is going to be our next question. What is this? Solve, like I explained before, get the value of your burger, value of your cheese, value of your drink, and then you come to the last line and do the same thing. It is similar. It is similar. If you follow the same process, trust me, you're going to get the same answer. But the thing is, this is twisted. How do you find the value of the cheese, the value of the burger, the value of the cup? How do you do this? Get the values and then you move into what Board mass way of operating. Multiply before you add. But get the value of this cup, this cheese, and this burger. Let's have fun together. You're welcome.
I would like to leave you guys with some background music, all right? So let's be nodding our head as we are solving. 21, nice attempt. Red bean, that's a good attempt. 21. Let's see more options. You're welcome, guys. Thank you for participating. I love you all. Thank you guys for participating. I'm grateful. Don't forget to like and share the live stream for more people to join us. Thank you for participating, guys. Drop your answer in the comments. We are going to solve this after 10 minutes. We're going to solve this and drop the answer right here. So stay and see the right answer. This is very, very difficult to solve. If you solve this, your IQ is above 80%. Trust me. If you can get correct answer to this before I drop the correct answer, your IQ is actually more than 80%. Trust me. No cheating, no calculators, no browsing. Solve on your own. Let's see how smart you are.
Trust me, if you can solve this, you are really smart. This is a very, very tough one. And only the smartest can attempt it. Let's see how smart you are. Let's see who will solve this first. This is very, very difficult. But let's see who will crack this. And I'm going to solve this after 10 minutes. So stay till 10 minutes and see the right answer. But I would like to see your attempt also. Let's see who will attempt it first. All right. If you solve this, your IQ is at least 70% and above. Because only those with such IQ can actually attempt this. This is very difficult to solve and no cheating. All right. No calculators allowed, just use your head. You and the question, nothing else. All right. Challenge yourself with this. Let's see how smart you can think. Let's see how logical your brain is. Let's see how you are how good you are with basic calculations. All right. This is very, very, very challenging and brain teasing. So don't use calculator, don't use AI, use your head. All right. Use your head. Let's see how good your IQ is.
Out of 100, trust me, 90% will fail. Highest only 10% can get this right. Are you among the 10% that can get this right? Music. Awachi. Thank you for participating, guys. I love you. Thank you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you guys. Thank you for participating. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the live stream. Let's see how smart you are. Only the smartest can solve this. Good time indeed, my brother. Good time. So drop your answer. Thanks for joining. Thank you for participating. I love you all. Love you guys. Thank you all. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you so much. Is this too hard? We can try other options. Is this too hard for us to solve? Yeah, Jesse. Jesse, you're welcome. Hello to you. Welcome. Thank you for joining, Jesse. Jesse, nice attempt, Jesse. Nice attempt. 39 is a nice attempt. Let's see more options, please. You tried. Some people are just running away from this brain teasing question. They feel it's too difficult, but you have attempted. Nice one, Jesse. Yeah, famous. Famous, you're welcome. Nice attempt, famous. Yeah, I kind of feel like that is too difficult for us. So let's try this instead. Because I don't know why the chat is so quiet. We are not attempting. I even feel weak solving for us. So since we have much attempt on that one, let's solve this. This should be quite simple. Let's start with the simpler ones. We go as we progress. We bring hard ones. Okay. It looks as if that one was a little bit hard and people complained that it was actually hard. So let's bring it down to our level. Let's solve this and then we'll move to the hardest ones. I think this is doable, this is solvable, this is simple. So you should be able to attempt this one. Even though this looks simple, a lot of things are still going to fail. And it requires at least 60% level of IQ to be able to get it right. So let's see who solves it first. Drop your answer in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe this live stream. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for participating. I love you guys. Yes. Sashiti, yeah, you're correct. Find the values of those objects and then you'll be able to input it in the last line and solve it. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, guys, if you look closely, there's a problem on this puzzle, right? If you have two burger plus one cheese on the first line, it gives you 45. And then on the second line, you're having a burger plus the cheese plus the burger. It's still the same thing, supposed to give you the same value, but it's not 38. One of the burger on the second line is supposed to be cheese and not it's supposed to be it's fries and not a burger. Second line, we're supposed to have two fries, one burger, but you still have two burgers. So it's the wrong puzzle. So because of that, I'm going to change it for us. Okay, I'm sorry about that. So let's solve this instead. Lenio was taken. Was taken. That is a nice attempt. 864. Nice attempt. Flores. Flores said 60. Nice attempt, Flores. Let's see more options, guys. Himself says 250. Nice attempt. Sky. Okay. Why are you having two answers? Please explain to us why you are having 252 and 864.
All right, guys, time up. Let's solve this together, all right? Nice attempt. Let's review the answer and the process to which we get our answer. Thank you for joining. Thank you for participating. Don't forget to like and share. So I'll be explaining what our answer is now and how we got it. So yeah, as skies, kudos to you. This is a nice attempt. The correct answer to this puzzle is actually 252. I'm going to explain why. Stay tuned. Watch out. Let's explain. On the first line, if you look at the three objects, we have 36 divided by 3. That means each of them is 12. Coming to the second line, the two first objects plus the fruit watermelon gives you 24. That means watermelon is 0. There's no value for it. It's practically 12 plus 12 that gives you what? 24. So the watermelon is 0. So if watermelon is 0 and you have a lap of chicken that that gives you 18, that means one lap of chicken is actually what? 18. All right? So watermelon is 0. So coming to the last line, which is where our problem lies. All right. Yes, the correct answer is 252. We are solving it. So now we have to you do board mass before what? Multiplication comes before what? Addition, according to board mass. So we have known that one lap of you can see that each lap of chicken is what? 18. And we have two laps of chicken on the left and one lap of chicken on the right. We have to multiply before what? You add. So that is going to be what? 12 times 18, which is for lap of chicken, is 216 plus what? Two laps of chicken. If one lap is equal to 18, that means two of them is going to be what? 34. So that's plus 34. Sorry, 18 times 2 is 36. If one lap of chicken is 18, that means two of them is going to give you what? 36. So if you say 12 times your 18 is going to give you 216 plus your 36, that gives you 252. So yeah, Congratulations to you guys that says 252. 252 is actually the correct answer. Well done, guys. So let me leave you with this one to attempt before we call it a day. Solve this, the last one. Let's see who solves it first. Let's see who understands it best. Let's see. I'll be leaving you guys with this tricky one. All right. This is actually simple. So I expect you to solve and drop your answer as fast as you can. And then this will be the last one of the day. This is actually our last question of the day. So let's see who solves it first. Based on what we have been explaining, everyone should be able to solve this by now. Thank you for staying till this time. Thank you for participating. I love you guys. Thank you for your continuous support. Nice one. Wow. We have answer already. 70. Nice attempt. Nice attempt. Let's see more options. So let me play you some good instrumentals so you can be nodding your head while you solve. All right? I'll play you guys some instrumentals. Let's be nodding our heads as we solve.
Wow, nice attempt. 16, 15. Wow. Well done, guys. Please don't forget to explain your answer. How do you get your 15? Please explain to us. Some of us are here. Some persons are here to learn. So explain your answer. That will be better. All right. Well done, guys. Thank you for participating. Don't forget to like and share this live stream for more people to join us. Okay. In God we trust. In God we trust says 5 plus 1 gives you 6. 6 times 10 gives you 60. Wow, nice attempt. That's a good one. Let's see more options, guys. Wow. Edu Flores says 60 is incorrect. First multiply, then before more and rest. All right, let's see your answer, Edu Flores. Let's see your own answer and your own process since the answer is different from the first 2 person. Let's see your own answer. Wow. Okay. Oh, you're from Mexico. Nice having you here from Mexico. Dom77 says 17. Nice attempt. Poppy Douglas 70. Good attempt, Douglas. More options, guys. 60. Wow, 17. Okay. This is our last puzzle of the day. Let's see more options. Quickly solve and drop your answer in the comment section. Let's try and round up. This is the last one of the day. Welcome, guys. Thank you for participating. I love you guys. One love. 25. Okay, more options, guys. Let's see more options. 17, 25, 51, 60. Let's see more options. Okay. 51. Let's see more options. Bro, you said hi. I wish I can say hello to you, but your answer is 60. It's Chinese. I can't read that language. I'm sorry. But thank you for participating. I love you. Foster said 60. Nice attempt, Foster. The Great King says 70. Nice attempt, Great King. Let's see more options, guys. Great King changed his options from 70 to 25. Okay. Let's see your method, Great King. How do you get your answer? Wow, this is lovely. Edu Flores, thank you so much for taking your time to explain this so clearly. Wow, this is impressive. I love you for this. Thank you so much for explaining so well. This will help a lot of persons. Egg says 44. Well, Impossible says 16. I can't review the answer now. Let's see more options and review the answer very soon. The live will soon end. Let's see more options. I will solve at the end of the live stream. I've been solving. I'm going to solve these too, but let's see more options before I review the answer to you. So as for now, I'm just watching and catching fun as every other person. Yeah. Phil said 100. All right, Phil, let's see your process. How do you get 100? Yeah, you are bad at maths. You tried. That's a good attempt. And you are not so bad. You tried. That's a good attempt. Timo says 15. Nice attempt, Timo. Wow, I saw. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you. I love you. Thank you so much. I'm grateful. Thank you. Timo, 15. Nice attempt, Timo. That's a good attempt. Wow, Impossible. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate you. I love you. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you, Impossible. The live stream will end in the next 3 minutes. I will explain this in the next 3 minutes, okay? I'm going to explain this last one in the next 3 minutes. I'm explaining the last one for today, and then we end the live stream and we call it a day. Thank you for participating. Thank you for your support, guys. Thank you for the likes, the comments, and for subscribing. I love you for that. I'm going to end the live stream in the next 3 minutes. I will explain how the answer. I will drop the answer and I will explain the process on how we get to the answer, and that will be the end for today. Yeah, you're right. The burger is 5 and the bottle is 10. Yes, you're correct, Ed. You said you're not so good with mathematics and you're doing it so well. That's good. So 2 more minutes to go, guys, and we are ending it. In the next 2 minutes, we are going to explain and then we call it a day. Thank you so much. Wow. Middle says 70, and he breaks it down, right, to 70. Yeah, 5 plus 2, which is correct but wrong. He gives the girl 7 times 10. Like I said, these are very, very tricky questions, all right? Know the values of those objects. The burger is actually 5, but the value of cup is what? Look again. If burger is 5 and 5 plus 4 cups, you have 9. What is the value of 1 cup? Impossible. 60. All right, we have just 1 more minute to go. 1 minute and we are going to solve it. We have 1 minute and I will solve this puzzle in the next 1 minute. The value of cup is 1. Correct. That's the value of cup is 1. Now, the value of cup is 1. The value of burger is 5. What is the value of the bottle? It's obviously 10. So now, what will give you the right answer is based on your order of operation. But I'll explain that in the next 1 minute. So stay tuned. So drop your final answers as I review the final answer in the next 20 seconds. 20 seconds. I'm going to review the last answer. So drop your answers. Let's see who got it right and who got it wrong. I'm going to review in the next. Wow. In the next 10 seconds, I'm going to explain. Drop your answers now. Let's round up. Drop your answers once more. Drop your answers. Let's round up. In the next 5 seconds, I'm going to review the answer. So drop your answers one more. Let's round up. Wow. Edu Flores, you are a mathematician. Don't stop lying to us. You said you don't know how to do this and you just solved it so brilliantly. This, in fact, you have killed it. All right, guys, time up and let's review the answer to this puzzle. And let's review the answer to this puzzle. Edu, you said you don't know calculations. I doubt if you don't know mathematics because you have done so well. You have done very, very brilliantly. So, guys, as I promised, I'm going to explain this now. So look closely. Let me explain to us how we got to the right answer, right? The correct answer to this puzzle is actually 15. And the Edu Flores just explained to us so perfectly. He did it as if I asked her to. I'm grateful for this and I love you for doing this. So let's explain how it is 15. Obviously, the first line we have 3 bottles and the total was 30. Divide 30 by 3, you're going to get 10 for each bottle. Come to the next line. Since you already know that your bottle is equal to 10 and you have 2 burger giving you 20, minus 10 from 20, you are going to have 10. 10 divided by 2, you're going to have 5. So each burger is going to be what? 5. Each bottle, 10, 1 burger, 5. Now, find the value of this cup. Coming to the third line, you have 1 burger plus 4 cups, giving you 9. That means each cup is simply 1. The value of cup is 1. The value of bottle is 10. The value of burger is what? 5. Now, this is where board math comes in. Very, very important. If you add before you multiply, you're going to get
a correct wrong answer. It's going to look like a correct answer, but it's actually a wrong answer. The right answer and the right thing to do is to multiply before you add. All right. So now cup is 1. 1 times 10 is going to still give you 10. Now 10 plus what? Your burger, which is 5, is 15. The correct answer to today's puzzle is actually what? 15. So kudos to you guys. Congratulations to all of you who choose 15 to be your answer. 15 was indeed the right answer to this puzzle. All right. So we have come to the end of today's puzzle and logical thinking game. All right. Thank you so much for your likes. Thank you for the comment. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And thank you for your support. By God's grace, we are above 10,000 subscribers and we are still growing. We are here because of you guys. So, we host live streams like this regularly, like 2 to 3 times in a week. So you have to subscribe so you don't miss out any action on this channel. We play games, we do puzzle, we do quiz, we do live games that you can play in real life and have fun and also get yourself educated and entertained at the same time. As you can obviously see yourself on this channel, we entertain and we also what educate. This is a way of educating us and this is a way of entertaining us. We explain how our questions, we explain our puzzles to us. Gradually, we move together, we carry everybody along. Everybody is going to understand, and then we also play games. So, stay tuned and subscribe for more. Something like this will be coming your wellness. Next time we are coming on live stream like this, maybe just maybe we're going to be doing a more fun game. We allow our brains to rest for now a little bit, and then we play some fun, very interesting, fun games that you all can watch, entertain yourself, and relax and have great time. All right. So thank you. I love you guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you for all you do. I love you, and I do wish you a very great time and best of luck at everything you are doing. I love you. Do have a great time. This is the end of today's live stream. Stay safe. Be safe. I love you guys.